What up guys, Peaches here. Today I'm with a brand new video. So I will be telling you how my wood floor is gone. So yeah. I'm so upset with the Animal Jam right now. So I didn't have walls and floors until I bought one, and I just have this one because that's the one I bought. And I thought you guys knew that I did have a wood floor and Coral Canyon walls. What the heck? Did someone take it? Because I am so upset. Wait, let's see if. Let's see. Because that was my wood floor and I missed that. Exit out, gosh. Now it's not there. So, what happened? I just want to tell you that my wood floor is gone. So yeah, like and subscribe. I want to see.
Excuse me.
That was my mom. So like and subscribe. Have a precious day. Goodbye.